Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webflow for SEO-friendly site architecture, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website. Click on the Sign Up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required fields including your email address and a strong password. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google account for quicker access. Once you have completed the form, click the Get Started button. You will be prompted to check your email for a confirmation message. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Webflow. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Webflow homepage and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard overview. Click on the New Project button to start creating your website. You will be given options for project templates. Choose one that aligns with your site's goals. If you prefer to build from scratch, select the blank template option. Once the project loads, navigate to the Pages tab in the left sidebar. Create a new page by clicking on the Add Page button. Choose an appropriate name for your page that reflects its content. In the page settings, optimize the URL slug for SEO by using relevant keywords. Ensure that the page title and meta description are also filled out with SEO best practices in mind. Next, return to the site structure by clicking on the site settings. Organize your site's content using a clear hierarchy of pages and subpages. Consider creating a main navigation menu to improve site usability. Add any necessary CMS collections to manage dynamic content effectively. Once your site structure is in place, focus on optimizing each page's content. Incorporate keywords naturally into headings, text, and image alt tags. Utilize Webflow's SEO settings to specify additional metadata as needed. Preview your site to ensure everything looks organized and SEO-friendly. Make adjustments to the layout and architecture as necessary based on your review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.